Let's get you the latest updates coming in on the crackdown after the horrific rape and murder of, in fact, a medical student in a Kolkata hospital. The superintendent of the RJ Kar hospital has now been removed. This after women doctors of the hospital had come together demanding the removal of the superintendent. The Bengal government health department has also ordered a crackdown, and this action has been taken after a 31-year-old woman doctor was raped and killed in the hospital premises. It led to serious questions about the safety of women doctors in the premises. One accused, remember, has been nabbed, is currently in police custody. The superintendent of the hospital has also been removed. Serious questions were asked about what kind of infrastructure was actually given for women doctors when they were in the hospital. Shocking incident that's been reported from Kolkata of a 31-year-old doctor, a female doctor who is in the hospital being attacked, being brutally killed and raped. And the details are just horrifying that's emerged from her medical report. Ritik Mondal is joining us with more details on this. Ritik, action now being taken against the hospital because there were serious questions also asked about the kind of facilities provided for women doctors, about how unsafe they were within the premises.
Right, the first ever, big action has been taken against the superintendent of the hospital. But we are given to understand that the health department has decided to remove finally the superintendent of RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Sanjay Vashisht, who had been holding that post for a long time. He has been, removed from his post in the wake of such horrific crime that happened, at RJ Kar Medical College and Hospital a couple of days back. And what we know, the dean of this particular medical college would be, reinstate this post. And what we can see now, the students, and particularly junior students, they have decided they would continue the protest and demanding justice with regards to this matter. Even after that, several actions being taken. But we can see police says that the prime accused in this chilling murder has been arrested, but they are not. These are not going to die down the anger among students. We will try to listen them, ma'am. The superintendent of this hospital has been removed. The prime accused has been arrested. Police says. What would be your further demand?
We only demand that the real culprits to be caught, arrested, and then only the real culprits needs to be given the punishment, because the one person that has been arrested, we don't believe that he's the actual culprit. So we demand the real culprits to be arrested and punished.
So clear message that's coming in from the protesters there. These are largely women doctors who are staging an agitation. Ritik, we're going to keep coming across to you for those updates. Thanks for the moment for joining us.